everyone, welcome back to our channel. So obviously it's Date Jar Wednesday, but we didn't get to do our date this weekend. This video will be in the place of our date jar, but we are still gonna do our board game night date. We're just gonna do it this weekend. This past weekend we were busy redoing our bathroom, like a DIY remodel. This is something we've been wanting to do, but we just never got around to it. Out of nowhere, we just decided to do it this weekend. Darius and I share a bathroom, but I guess he was getting tired of me with my stuff.
Yeah, you got kicked out. There was too much stuff around, so
I have too much hair stuff and too much makeup, and he was just getting pissed off and knocking things over on the counter and everything like that. So I moved my makeup and bathroom stuff upstairs with Makenzie's bathroom. So now me and Makenzie share a bathroom, and it's so cute. So this whole video is just us showing you guys the before and after. Like I said, everything is DIY. We did everything ourselves. A lot of it was from a lot of help from YouTube.
YouTube and Google. Shout out.
Yeah. Because Darius did not know how to use a drill. He did not know how to change a faucet, but because of YouTube, he got some man points. Have any questions during this video? Please leave a comment below. If you guys have any questions at all about any decorations during this video, please leave a comment below and I'll answer them. Stay tuned if you're interested in watching our remodel. The paint that we used in this project we got from Lowe's and Home Depot. If you guys aren't aware, Lowe's, Home Depot, and Walmart has an oops section, which means that people buy paint and they either don't like the color or they just return it. So they actually change the color and sell it for much cheaper. So the paint right here that you see is normally $45 a gallon, and we got it for only $9. So we got a steal. Since I chose my accent color to be gold, I spray painted a lot of things such as the shower curtain hooks, my trash can, the light switch plates, almost everything, just so it can all blend in together. And this is the spray can I used. I have a working faucet. Wow, how do you feel? Your first faucet.
Accomplished.
How long did it take?
2.5 hours.
You think so? I think it might be longer than that. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. So, do you feel like you can do another one?
Whew. I'm gonna have to.
The next project is to put a frame around the mirror. So we found this at Target. What is this? Dip. Design is personal. Lightweight DIY decorative wall planks. This is how it looks. So it's self-adhesive system. So this is the color we got. So it can match the cabinets, and we're also gonna put this downstairs too. Has 3 strips. So we're gonna see how this works out. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel because we are going to have more remodel videos coming up soon. Hit the bell too so you get notified whenever we drop a new video. Give us a thumbs up and follow us on Instagram at the James Bond Vlog. See y'all next week.
Bye.